excited to have you here to see the great things going on at New Highland. You're going to view and see our glorious teachers. They've been working all summer long, geared up from professional development as well. Some of the great things that we have going on here at New Highland, we have count it again, we have 5 basketball teams. We have 3 girl basketball teams, 2 boy basketball teams. Also, we have a track team and we have a cheerleading team as well. Besides that, we have beta, we have an academic team, we have a problem-solving team, just wonderful things going on. And last but not least, our STLP club. So New Highland, we have great things going on in and outside of the classroom. If you ever want to contact us about the wonderful things that you see tonight, just give us a call here at 270-737-6612, 270-737-6612. My name is Mrs. Packer, Bulldog Strong.
Hi, I'm Amanda Urbans. I am the librarian here at New Highland Elementary School, and I'm so excited about the 2022 school year, and I am looking forward to seeing all of our great students back from summer break. We are promoting Accelerated Reader. We're going to read for fun, and it's going to be a great time just like last school year, and I can't wait to see you in class.
Hi, I'm Brittany Smith, the New Highland Family Resource Coordinator, and tonight at our open house we are so grateful for all the school supply donations that we have. We are able to provide all of our students here with free school supplies. No one has to buy their own. So we're very thankful for the community partners, and just we're a family here. We're grateful for that opportunity. We have lots of other opportunities to look forward to this year, such as lunch bunches, we're starting choir, we have after school programs, so we're looking forward to a lot of fun. Thank you.